Are you dealing with a shortage of storage space or struggling to keep your home organized? The solution might be simpler than you think. In this video, we'll explore some creative projects to help you transform your walls and corners into efficient and stylish storage, making your home more organized and inviting. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Stick around for some practical solutions to enhance your living space's functionality and tidiness. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Assessing your space. When you're thinking about getting organized with some do-it-yourself or DIY projects, start by checking out the vertical space in each room. Look at the walls, corners, and those little unused spaces. These spots can turn into great storage areas with a bit of creativity. Take note of how much space you have, measure it if you can, and think about how everything is laid out. This will help you come up with storage solutions that not only work well, but also look good in your space. Understanding the dimensions and layout is the first step to making your place more functional and pleasing to the eye. Number 2. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are a fantastic choice to make the most of your vertical space. Not only are they versatile, but they also add a stylish touch to any room. Installing them is a breeze, and you can personalize them to match your room's vibe. Choose durable materials such as reclaimed wood, plywood, or MDF to ensure sturdiness. Measure and cut the shelves to your preferred size, and then attach them to the wall using robust brackets or hidden hardware designed for floating shelves. This simple and effective DIY project not only enhances storage, but also gives your space a modern and organized look. Number 3. Ladder shelves. Consider sanding the wooden boards to create a smooth and polished finish for your ladder shelves. If you're feeling creative, add a personal touch with a coat of paint or stain to match your existing decor. Don't forget to secure the shelves firmly to ensure lasting durability and safety. As a versatile DIY project, you can customize the size and color of your ladder shelves to suit your unique taste and space requirements, providing a truly bespoke storage solution for your home. With a touch of craftsmanship, you'll not only enhance your organization, but also elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space effortlessly. So, roll up your sleeves on this enjoyable and rewarding DIY adventure. Number 4. Built-in shelving. Opting for built-in shelving is a smart choice if you're aiming for a polished and personalized appearance. This project entails blending shelves seamlessly into your existing walls or crafting recessed shelving units. Begin by uncovering the wall studs, removing any drywall that's in the way. Construct a sturdy frame using materials like plywood or MDF, ensuring it fits snugly into the wall. Attach shelves to the frame, creating a built-in look. To complete the project, add your personal touch by painting or staining the shelves to match your room's decor. This DIY venture not only maximizes storage, but also elevates the aesthetic appeal of your space with a cohesive and customized appearance. Number 5. Corner shelves. Don't underestimate the potential of your corner spaces. They can be transformed into valuable storage areas with the simplicity of DIY corner shelves. Building these shelves typically entails crafting triangular or L-shaped units that neatly slot in the corners of a room. This practical solution proves especially beneficial for smaller spaces, as it efficiently utilizes areas that might otherwise go unused. Opt for durable materials like wood or metal when constructing your corner shelves, ensuring both sturdiness and a seamless integration with your interior design. This uncomplicated yet effective project not only adds functionality to your room but also brings a touch of creativity to often overlooked spaces. Number 6. Over-the-door storage. Doors, often overlooked for storage, actually provide a clever opportunity with over-the-door storage solutions. These are simple to set up and work well in different rooms like the kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. You can either buy ready-made over-the-door organizers with pockets or shelves or get creative and craft your own. These handy organizers are perfect for storing items such as shoes, toiletries, or office supplies, making them easily accessible. This DIY solution not only maximizes space, but also ensures that frequently used items are right at your fingertips, keeping your living areas neat and efficient. Number 7. Vertical wall storage. Vertical wall storage systems are not just practical, they're a game changer for keeping everything organized. From kitchen utensils to office supplies, you can easily set up a customizable and adaptable storage solution using items like pegboards, grid panels, or modular wall-mounted units. These systems offer flexibility, attach hooks, baskets, and shelves to these vertical surfaces, allowing you to rearrange and reorganize whenever your storage needs change. This DIY approach not only keeps your spaces tidy, but also ensures that your storage setup evolves with your lifestyle, providing a seamless solution for different items in various rooms. Number 8. Multifunctional furniture. When exploring furniture options, keep an eye out for pieces that go to extra mile, like bookshelves, cleverly transforming into room dividers, or ottomans with discrete storage compartments. These dual-purpose items not only make the most of your space, but also enhance the efficiency of your home decor. Imagine the convenience of having furniture that not only looks great, but also serves a practical purpose, seamlessly marrying style with functionality throughout your living spaces. This clever approach allows you to extract optimal utility from every square inch in your home, establishing a pleasing equilibrium between aesthetics and practicality. With these versatile pieces, your living environment becomes a curated blend of form and purpose, offering both visual appeal and practicality. Number 9. Ceiling-mounted storage. When dealing with limited floor space, consider an innovative approach with ceiling-mounted storage. This solution involves either constructing or installing suspended shelving units directly from the ceiling. It's a smart way to store items like bicycles, seasonal decorations, or things you seldom use. The key is to make sure the suspension system is robust and capable of supporting the weight of the items you intend to store. This not only frees up valuable floor space, but also adds a touch of ingenuity to your storage solutions. Just make sure everything is securely in place to keep your belongings safe and your living space organized. Number 10. Customized closet systems. Investing in smart storage solutions such as adjustable shelves, drawers, and hanging rods can significantly enhance your organizational efficiency. With the versatility of DIY closet systems, you have the creative freedom to design a storage space that perfectly accommodates your wardrobe requirements. This not only ensures a neat arrangement for your clothes and accessories, but also allows you to showcase your unique sense of style. By tailoring your closet to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine, you'll effortlessly maintain a well-organized and clutter-free wardrobe. Embrace the opportunity to optimize every inch of space and revel in the convenience of a personalized and orderly living environment that complements your lifestyle. As we finish up our look into DIY shelving and storage ideas for better vertical space use, we'd love to know what you think. Did you find any helpful tips? Or do you have your own clever solutions to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed our space-saving ideas, consider hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you next time!